Hello students, my name is Priyam Singh and today I have come with a new video which is the second chapter of our computer subject, that is hardware and software. Inside there are three topics, first hardware, second software and the last is types of software. Today we will cover the first topic, that is hardware. So let's start our first topic. In previous class we read that a computer system is divided into two parts, first hardware and second software. In this chapter we read about these two parts in detail. So let's start. First, hardware. The physical part of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware, such as keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. Let's understand this thing with an example. A human body consists of different parts. The outer part of a body are visible, but the part like brain, lung, heart, etc., which are inside our body, which cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the part of the hardware that are outside, such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some part of the hardware are inside the CPU also. You can see them only when you open the body of the CPU box. Example, hard disk, CPU chip, motherboard, etc. Hardware of a computer is further classified into three parts. First, input, second, output, and the third is storage device. Input devices. It is the part of hardware. They are a special type of hardware device. They are used to input words, numbers, sound or picture into a computer. They are called input device because they are used to input the data and instruction. Example, keyboard. By the help of keyboard we can type the words and number. Mouse. By the help of mouse we can select anything on the screen. Joystick, microphone, scanner, etc. are the example of input device. Here you can see some example of input device. First, trackball. It has a ball on its top. It is used to move the pointer on the screen. When you put your finger on the ball and scroll it, the pointer on the screen is also move up and down. Second, scanner. A scanner copies a picture or a text printed on a paper into the computer. Web camera. It is used to share pictures and have live chat with your friend and relative. Microphone is used to record our voice or other sounds into the computer. Light pen. It looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whenever you write on this pad can be seen on the monitor. Joystick. It is very common input device. It is used for playing games. You generally see in the game parlor. It helps to move the item on the screen. Now the second part of hardware is output devices. The devices which display the information and result are called output devices. Example, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Here you can see the images of monitor, printer and speaker. Monitor, it looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type using keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also displays the processed information, means whatever the result given by the CPU is displayed on the monitor, and the result which display on the monitor is known as soft copy. Printer, it print the output that you see on the computer screen on the paper, and the printed result is known as hard copy. Speaker are used to hear music and sound stored in the computer. Now the last part of hardware is storage device. The device used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage device which store the entire work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, pen drive and DVD are also used to store information. Here you can see the picture of CD, hard disks and pen drive. First, CD. CD stands for compact discs. It is a round, flat and shiny disc that store a lot of information, and we can insert a CD in CPU. As in CPU at the front panel, you can see that there is a panel given which is known as CD drive. When we click on the CD drive, the plates open out, we insert the CD and run it. Hard disk. It is a device which stores huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the CPU box. Pen drive. It is very small in size. You all have seen pen drive. It is very popular because it is a portable device. It store and transfer data from one computer system to another computer system very easily, and it is also easy to move from one place to another place. Here at the fact file you see that Lady Ada Lovelace is the first computer programmer. She was the first computer programmer. So here we finished our first topic, that is hardware. In another part of this chapter we will continue with software and its type. Thank you.